This is a braking mechanism designed to arrest the rotational motion of a shaft. To do this, it uses a small hobby-grade servo to apply force to one side of a double lever, causing the opposing side to clamp down on the shaft. The design uses a Class 1 lever with the fulcrum in between the effort and load side. The arms are equal in length on both sides, so there is no mechanical advantage here. This is a proof of concept design that uses a generic mounting plate just so the performance of the mechanism can be tested. This wooden dowel can spin the shaft freely with the brake disengaged. However, as the brake is applied, there's enough force on the drum such that the shaft locks up and the torque rotates the entire device. In order to enhance the gripping power, I've smeared a thin layer of hot glue on the drum, which works very well when turning the shaft by hand. I'm suspect of it lasting very long in an actual use scenario, but for now, it's great. Another thing to note is that due to the configuration of the servo mount, one arm will always engage a little sooner than the other one. I figure this will provide better dynamic application of the brake and can act better as a clutch before full force is applied. Overall, this proof of concept design seems to work well, and I wouldn't be hesitant to use it in a sub-assembly in a larger device.